This is a tutorial on how to place a group order in LCSC. So if you have like multiple teams that you want to order components from LCSC, then you can order together to save on shipping and taxes. So here I have two teams, and team MOSFET and team SweepI, and team SweepI has two BOMs or two PCBs. So let's place an order using these three BOMs. So the most important columns in the BOMs are the manufacturer part number, the LCSC part number, and the quantity. So you have to make sure that these three are definitely there. It doesn't matter what the heading says, as long as the part numbers are there, it's fine, and the quantities are there, it's fine. So once you have confirmed that all of them are there, then you have to add customer numbers. So customer numbers help identify the uh, team. Essentially, it's something that we add ourselves, and LCSC will kind of remember it, and for which component belongs to which team. And when you place an order on LCSC, all your components come in like one large package, with each component being in like a small bag like this. So all the teams, all the component bags will be in one big pile. So with customer numbers, it would be easy to distribute the components between the teams. So you can see with the customer number, this component belongs to team 591. These numbers, like I decided the numbers. It doesn't have to be digits, it can be characters as well. And this belongs to one team, and this belongs to the components are in two PCBs belonging to the same team. That's why it's both one and one. Okay, so to add the customer number, so I'm going to first let's get rid of this column. I don't need it. All right, so I'll add a heading customer number, and I'll try adding some characters this time to see if it works. All right, so since this is the team MOSFET, I'll add MS. Okay, and to copy this, you hold Alt and drag it. All right. Or here you don't need to hold the Alt, you can just drag it. And let's do the same for the other one. This is sweep eyes plus POM. So I'll call it SW1. This one too. Yeah. It's not Alt, it's Control. You hold Control and you drag it down. All right. And now for the final one. I'll call it SW2. You hold Control, you drag it, and then release Control. All right. So now that you have added the customer numbers, we have to download these sheets into a CSV or Excel or anything. So I'll download it to CSV because it's the simplest. Okay. Once you have downloaded them, now we have to go to the LCSC website. Now make sure that you have signed in. I'll sign in. Okay. Now that I have signed in, let's upload the uh, BOMs. So here you can find the upload a BOM button. You click that and you select one CSV file. I'll first select the MOSFET one, and now you can see this screen. So here you have to make sure that the column that LCSC has determined matches the actual column. So here it's LCSC number and LCSC part number. It's up here. It's correct. Manufacturer, part number matches this, correct. And the other columns aren't really necessary, but you can still confirm them. And the next one, customer number, we have to manually select. So if you go to this column, customer number, we select type and you go customer part number. Customer part number, it's fine. So you select customer part number to the matching column, customer number. And also make sure that the first column with data is selected here. All right. So after you have done that, you can also, if you want to order multiples of the components, you can add that here as well, or you can edit later, it's fine. So now you create the BOM. As you can see, the next most important thing is to make sure that the match status is a green check mark. That means that everything matches exactly, not just the manufacturer number, but also the LCSC part number as well. So if there's like a yellow color exclamation sign, that means it's a partial match. So you have to, there must be an error in the BOM, you have to correct that. So you verify that all your components have a perfect match for the data that you have given in the BOM. And then here you can also see the price of an individual BOM. So if you can take a screenshot of this and send it to the respective team. And also, if you want to order the components as soon as possible, it's a good idea to like find alternatives to back-coded components. So here there are three components are back-coded. That means they currently don't have any stock. So maybe you can uh, find alternatives and add them. So on that point, how to add and remove components, it's easy. So first you deselect all of them. Make sure you deselect all of them. And let's first find the back-coded components and let's remove those three. So only the in-stock components we will order. So you select those and you delete them. Delete. All right. So now all the in-stock components are the one. So we only have the in-stock components. So if you want to add a component, how would we do that? Go down here and add part. Add part. You find the LCSC part number or the manufacturer part number. It doesn't matter. And the quantity and the customer number. In this case, it's MOSFET, so MS. And you save it. Then it would be added here as a row. So you take a screenshot of, oh, it's zero here because after you're done, make sure that you select all here, right? So take a screenshot of this and send it to the team because that's their component price. So now you don't do anything else and you go to the, you click here, see, BOM list. Here, this is where all your BOM lists will be stored. So you don't have to upload it again and again. Everything is here. You can click into here and you can this screen again and you can modify anything. You can add components, remove components without like going back to Google Sheets and editing things. So you go back to BOM list and you upload the other two. So you can do it here or you can do it here as well. So all right. So now if you go to BOM list, you can see the three BOMs are here. Now you can click into them and modify them as you please. So I I saw that there are some backward components. Let me quickly get rid of those. You can add if you want to as well. This is just to show. So you most probably will have to add the alternatives for the back-coded ones, or you can just wait. It's fine. All right. So now that the BOMs have been finalized, you can now click into one of them. Make sure that all of them are selected. This is the final price, and Now go down and add to cart. And now here you can either you can create a new cart, create a new cart, give it a name, group order, and add. All right. So now we added MOSFET. Let's add the other BOM as well. Adding the sweep by BOM1, not to group order. Add. All right. So this is sweep by BOM1, sweep by BOM2. Add that. So it says that multiple customer numbers exist for the same component. The customer numbers will be merged. So that's good. So that means that for a component, this will happen. See, multiple customer numbers will be merged into the single component. That's what we want. So add. And now you can go to the cart. You can see if you have multiple carts, you can go here and select the cart that you have saved it to. And now you will be able to see the components. So as you can see, this component is shared. So where is it? Here, right? So this is what will be printed on right here. So you won't be confused when the components arrive. So that's how you do it. So now you can proceed to payment and you can select shipping. Global direct standard line. It's very cheap. But it takes some time. You can go DHL. It's fine. That's up to you, depending on the country. So that's how you do it. That's how you place a group order on LCSC. Thank you for watching.